Day 26, and I was lucky enough to have GoSun's celebrity chef, Davy Jones, to help me cook.
Take some beautiful organic lamb. We're gonna make meatballs with some onions and garlic, of course, some beautiful herbs, some fresh mint and rosemary, a little bit of seasoning that I've made up here with some turmeric and some cumin. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. We're actually gonna make a bit of a mushed up minted peas. It's one of my favorite things to have with the lamb. It's fresh and it cuts all that richness of the lamb. So some cumin, some turmeric, a little bit of other secret spices. No way can I tell you. I mean, that's what I'm supposed to say, right? But you probably just guessed. And then again, another little workaround, because you really want the flavor of the lamb to come through. Lamb has just a delicious, rich, decadent flavor. And it's a slightly hotter this end, so it's a good use tip to put the meat down at the hotter end of the stove. So here we've just got simply some chickpeas and some butter beans, full of protein, very unctuous, nutty flavor to the chickpeas. It's amazing how much food you can get in here as well. And then we've got our peas. Just simple, everyday frozen peas are absolutely fine for this because we're gonna mush them up later. And then, actually what I'm gonna do is gonna pop a couple of mushrooms in here right at the end as well, just because. As it goes on, 40 days of sunshine, day 26. Let's make it great. Hey, use more sun.
Okay, so people have been asking us, can you cook rice in the GoSun? And it's actually super easy. Some rice, some water, some thyme. This took about 45 minutes, and I'd say it's done.
So easy, just pop it in, walk away, and just let the GoSun do the work. Look at that. So there's the weather. I mean, despite the clouds, we've still got some UV and cooking. Look, I don't know, I haven't been down here for a while. Let's check on it. It's been about an hour. Oh my gosh, look at this steam. I forgot we put mushrooms in there as well, bonus. Look at our beans and our peas and our lamb meatballs all looking. Now that's just the fat from the lamb, which is completely normal. That comes off the lamb. That's why I actually put it in these useful little containers. Let's get inside and do some eating. I'm gonna mush up these peas. I'm doing a crushed version, which gives you some soft and some shells. It's kind of a textural thing. And I use it as a base, as a platform to serve the lamb. Top it off as if we don't have enough. Just a couple of tomatoes and just the slightest dab of radicchio, and that is radicchio good.
Shrimps on the bobbies. Yeah, that took no time in this kind of light. Thanks again, GoSun. The meal that Davey made me was absolutely amazing. I was getting really confident cooking on the sun, just as a thick set of clouds rolled in. Oh yeah, gorgeous, where's the sun type of day. And here we are, look at these cookies.
Oh, you know, if I didn't know better, I'd swear you just put those in.
That's a fail right there, folks.
That's delicious. Cookie. That was delicious. Oh, I am not gonna go home and have chili with garlic bread now. Oh God, I think I might just
rub it on your face.
Oh God, that's good.
It's gonna love it.
Oh.